Hi, welcome back to Blackline Financial. Today, I want to share yet another video with you that shows you a really cool way to make some real money online, and all you need to get started is a phone. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss any of our daily uploads teaching you different ways of making money online. Okay, so let's head over to ProductTube.com. ProductTube.com is an app that allows you to make money from recording your voice as you shop. Here's how it works. You sign up from your smartphone or laptop. Then, you'll start receiving invites to video projects. Follow the simple instructions to record your product experience. Upload videos to ProductTube directly from your phone using your iPhone or Android app, or online at ProductTube.com. Within 5 business days, you will start receiving your rewards. You can make between $50 and $80 for just 1 hour of work per month, and a lot of users make consistent income from this site. They always have new opportunities on the app. Don't skip any of this video so you don't miss any of the steps. There are 2 types of videos, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera. No additional equipment or software is required. All you need is your phone. No upfront costs, and the whole thing is totally free and secure. There are in-store videos, which means next time you shop, you record a video showing you shop in a certain category. Just record and narrate your decision-making process. Then there's at-home videos. You'll receive notifications to review a product or service from the comfort of your own home. As you scroll down, you can see example videos that show you what a typical task might look like. You don't need any skills. All you need is your phone. Further down, we can see some of their great reviews, so you know what other users think of the app, and the results are overwhelming. This is a great app to earn some extra money, and in combination with our other Make Money Online videos, you can start to generate a serious income online for doing very easy things. We only find legit money-making methods to share with you on this channel, so don't worry, we have made sure this site is a real way to earn. Just click on the sign up and fill out the required information. Then you download the app and follow the instructions to start earning. I really hope you liked this video. We have so many videos teaching you different methods and reviewing many websites for you to try out. So don't wait. Watch some of our other videos and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of our daily uploads. Until next time, aim high.